What the hell is that thing? That's not a dirt bike. Pretty sweet though. Just picked this up actually. I'm gonna make this video in case you guys do care. I know this is mostly a dirt bike channel, but I found an awesome deal on this 2016 FZ-07. It's a Yamaha. I think this thing has like 690 cc's. It is basically a little torque monster, and it should be a lot of fun. It's summer's winding down right now, so not the most prime time to buy this thing, but it is if you're looking to get a good deal. Most everything is stock, except for that guy right there. He's Akropovic. How about we just call it an Acra? It's a full exhaust. So as you can see, like right here, there's a loop, full headers, whole deal. Nice, you know, $1,200+ add-on. Those stickers, those gotta go real quick. It's got some pretty high mileage, not crazy though. Got the old frame sliders added on, some adjustable levers, blinkers. Looks like some aftermarket ones got put on, but the lenses are starting to fade. And in the rear here, you know, we've got plate holder, and then yeah, these ones definitely gotta go. No good. On the side here, I'll just peel this off right now. If you look at stock ones, this is where you've got little handles. We got some plastic cracks. I'm not sure if these were removed or somebody decided to somehow snap them off, either by yanking on them or tying them down, or maybe crashing, I don't know. But everything else is in pretty good condition. Boom. 15,911 miles. That's quite a few on one of these bikes. Nothing crazy. At about 13,000 when I sold my R6. That was beginning of this year. And that was an 09 R6. I sold that for almost double what I picked this up for. So it's you know, I'm still looking to see if there's anything out of the ordinary with this that might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not finding anything. And then on this side, we gotta get rid of those stickers as well. That's just no good. But everything looks good. Chain could use a little cleaning, a little lube. Suspension on this guy, it's not terrible. The front is pretty bouncy. And then, you know, same thing on this side. So might get a this whole fender eliminator, get it so where we can get our plate tucked up in there. I don't know, it's a little harder on these. My R6 had the integrated tail light, and then it had the plate where it could be tucked way up here, but I don't know, the wheel might smash into this one. So fluids, they all seem to be somewhat fresh. You know, just a few minor chips here and there just from rocks and riding it. So everything works. I'll fire up that Acra for you. It sounds pretty damn good. sounds pretty damn good. This camera probably doesn't do it justice. I don't have a extra mic or anything like that, so probably blown out on the volume. Sorry if you're wearing headphones. But yeah, that's the bike. It's pretty sick. I've been searching for one of these nakeds for a long time, and they're all way overpriced. This thing, it's just got that aggressive Street Fighter look, and that's what I love. So let me know down in the comments if any of you guys own one of these things. This is a 2016 again. I know suspension is, you know, kind of an issue if you're really gonna get out and put these things to the test. I mean, I hope to keep this thing. I'll probably keep it at least till the start of next year. Unfortunately, you know, you got like maybe a month, 2 months max of riding season left, so it's really hard not to divide your time up between street, dirt, and then, you know, once the snow flies, it's snow bike time. It was raining out when I took it on a test ride, and yeah, it was not the most fun test ride, but you could definitely feel that this bike has amazing power, and can't wait to rip it around. So in the comment section down below, let me know if you got one of these things, or you know, if you got the FZ-09, MT10, MT-09, MT-07, whatever you want to call it. Let me know down below. And also, if you want to see a little more street stuff, you know, I just picked up another bike. You'll probably see it on the channel as well. Fun little bike that everybody likes to rip around on. But just let me know down below. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. Peace.